Ever wake up exactly 2 minutes before your alarm, like your brain is spying on your clock? Science just cracked the code. It's not a coincidence. Your body has a secret built-in alarm system you never knew about. Your brain's master clock tracks time so accurately that it can predict when you're supposed to wake up. And here's the wild part. Just before your alarm rings, your body injects a mini boost of cortisol, your wake-up hormone. That tiny hormone spike literally lifts you out of sleep before the alarm can attack you. When your sleep schedule is stable, your brain starts waking you up automatically, like a self-programmed morning mode. But if you wake up tired, stressed, or groggy, your brain wasn't being smart, your sleep quality just tanked. So no, you're not psychic. You've just got a built-in biological alarm clock, and it's scarily accurate. Follow for more mind-blowing science.